Okay, so how to place a trade and do stop limits to cover yourself so we don't have to place a trade ourselves when it starts to go against what we wanted it to do. So we're going to get KFY. The action is buy, calculate our shares. We have 1,300 it shows that we can do. The price is at 48.80. So we get 26 shares. I'm going to go just 20 shares, so we're way under. So we'll go through in case the price changes. So then we put our symbol KFY. I'm going to go as market because it's in a practice account. Practice accounts sometimes don't really get it. So it looks all good. Korn Ferry International. See, we don't have enough funds, but it let us put it through because it's a practice, and I'm sure we do have enough funds. So we bought Cornfield Ferry, 20 shares. Go back to our portfolio. Got our 21. So I'm going to go sell it. So we got our full 21 shares. Stop limit. I'm going to see the price, and it's at 48.76. So we want to make sure we're down about about 2%. So go 65. And the price limit is the lower. If you want to get it, so we want to be in between both prices, and that's where it'll sell us out at. Go 60. And stop, that means when we go to the stop, I'll show you, it just starts it at market. So it'll just start selling your shares no matter what. So that's why we go to the limit price as well. There we go. Go view our status. As you can see, it's going to sell us out when it gets down below 48.65. And as a price, as the 48.73 increases, I'll also increase this. So then we just go to modify. So say while it goes up, so say it goes up to 80, 48, 80, 90. I'm going to move this up to say 70, and I'll go that 68, and so on. Go. And we modified it. Automatically cancels it, and we go, and it's modified.